Hey guys, Mike here from Russ Brothers. When we were at the BC Car Show, I met this interesting character named Antoine Rocher. He's an artist. His Instagram is Driving Unicorns. He does high-end portraits of people's high-end cars. So, of course, he wanted to do one of me and my high-end Chevelle. Anyway, we commissioned a painting, and I'm going to go take my first look at it. One of my friends came up from the coast and brought it for me. So let's go see what Antoine Rocher at Driving Unicorns has created for Russ Brothers. Ooh, it's in a box. It's in a big box. Wow. Cool. Well, here, well, let's
drop it.
Let's go take it inside and we'll reveal it to Cass and Blair all at the same time. How do you close that? You push the button?
Push the button.
Push the button. Like that? Like that. Very complicated here, guys. Let's see what we have here from Mr. Antoine Rocher at Driving Unicorns. Okay, you guys want to see? I haven't seen it yet. Can we put it on the hood? Or
Are
no?
you freaking nuts?
Okay, where are we going to put it?
You go to my place. Okay, here, garbage can.
Yeah, okay. The only clean thing we have here at Russ Brothers is garbage.
Okay, is this fragile?
Yes. It's fragile. Hang on. I'm going to say here, move this out of the way. Very fragile, and we're going to put it right back inside here after. Okay.
Where the hell is... Whoa.
Right here. Whoa. Man,
Wow, you got me a sheet of aluminum.
yes.
What do you want me to build?
Nothing. I just don't want you to wreck it. Okay, we're going to lay it down. And is it upside down or right side up? Ooh. Oh, look at that.
Far.
Wow,
freaking
eh?
out, man.
That's cool.
Hang on. Hang on. Okay. We'll take it out of the bag
man.
for just a second.
And even got Lincoln in there.
Yes. Link.
Holy man.
Wow.
That is freaking cool.
Is that not cool?
Where are you going to put it?
I know. I'm not going to put it in here.
It's
It'll be
way too nice.
covered in dust. Antoine, we're gonna show this, and then we're gonna put it back in the box and put it away because it's way too nice to hang.
And that's a
shop.
painting.
Yes, digital rendition. I just sent him a picture of the car, but look how he does all the different colors and it's still
yeah.
right.
Wow.
I mean, normally though the ones he's doing are like Formula Ones and Ferraris, and I bet this is the first time he's done an American muscle car. But I mean,
Yeah.
Look at Lincoln. He just looks
Looks like a puppy.
Yeah, he looks like Lincoln. I mean, look at the rims. They look real.
I love
They
the
look-
rims.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
It is.
Pretty cool,
Anyway,
man.
thank you very much, Antoine Rocher at Driving Unicorn. It's an amazing piece of art, but until we have a cleaner place to hang it, we're going to put it back in the plastic bag. This is going to have to go upstairs once we roll it off. We can't hang it in the shop. There's no way.
No.
There's way. It's amazing. Wow.
We'll put it somewhere nice so we can
Yeah.
he wants to make sure it's neat.
Yes, but we're not hanging it up while we're doing Bondo work. No. Yep. He's got the bumps in the hood. I just like the way the colors, the green, and I don't know, the car is purple even though it's got like 12 different colors on it.
Yeah.
It's kind of wild, eh?
Yeah, big time.
Yeah, look, you got gray and purple.
Oh, yeah, the shading's amazing.
Yeah, it just,
Yeah, from standing back, it looks like a photo,
yeah.
which is amazing.
Very, very cool. I'm impressed. Thank you very much, Antoine. Said, guys, you want one done in your car? Reach out to him. It's Antoine Rocher, Driving Unicorns on Instagram, at Driving Unicorns. Is it? Hashtag Driving Unicorns.
Yeah, check out his link in the bio.
Yeah, check out his link in the bio. He's done all sorts, but said, I bet you that we're going to have to look and see if he's done any other American cars, because the ones we saw at the car show were like high class imports, but this is a high class.
This is a high
domestic.
class, yes, of course.
Yeah, okay, let's log it back up
Yeah.
before we scratch it, dent it, or otherwise damage it. Hang on, get the top going at the same time.
Uh-oh.
Wow,
All right.
that's pretty. Like the pictures he sent me did not do it justice.
Oh, that's impressive.
Okay, open that back up. I'm gonna slide it in the same way it came.
Ah!
Oh, hang on.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was this way. Okay. Okay. Okay, where's that? Where's some tape? Tape this box shut.
I got a clear wall space at my house.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I think it would be really safe there.
I think, you know where this would look good? Hanging on Connor's wall
Oh, geez.
in his riverside house there.
Housewarming gift?
Yeah, no, housewarming gift.
Oh,
You're the one that said it.
And well, every time he'd wake up and look at it, he'd think about the mortgage payments. All right, here it is, guys. Driving unicorns, and here's all the rest of his contact information. Make sure you get a good close-up of that phone number. Thank you very much. It's an amazing piece of artwork, and now we need a cleaner place to hang it.
we do, man. We do.
Matt, it's going upstairs for storage here for a little
that's
bit.
right.
What?
Put it on the back side of the window facing the shop,
Oh, that's a good idea.
right?
Oh,
And then every time you walk in, we can see it.
that'd be cool too, eh,
Yeah.
Matt? This is beautiful. That's amazing. Friggin' amazing. Okay. Yeah, that'd be the place to hang it, eh, Matt? You got to go outside and clean the window.
You can use your fancy ladder.
Yes, I can use my fancy ladder. Okay. Yeah, this is the only spot that's clean enough to hang it. Okay. Why did we tape it up then? Because we weren't thinking far enough ahead.
You didn't know. It is nice.
It's amazing. It's okay. I gotta ask him how does that look?
Beauty.
Okay.
Well, I can't see you. Where are you?
Yeah, that's freaking cool.
Okay, what we need to do is put something against it here so it can't touch, and then we'll tape it.
Yeah. Just
So it can't
just
fall.
Secure it. Like you can tape
Yeah.
that at the bottom there,
Yeah.
so it doesn't slide. Right?
So
You put
it
a
doesn't
piece of
push
it-
against the wood, yeah.
Yeah, it looks great, man.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Stunning. Okay, now I gotta go wash the window. What are you doing to me, Antoine? I gotta go wash the window so we can admire your piece of art better. That's the best place to hang it. It's almost the perfect size. Blair,
What?
where's some of that foam? But I just want to lay a little piece down at the bottom where you won't see it, so it can't touch the wood of the window frame. There's a little ledge, so I just want to put a
You
little
mean
piece.
the door gap?
Well, whatever, you know what I mean. Just that foam, anything. Just then that way, I can just
I
put a
will
little
look.
piece there, so it can't touch the window. So it's so the only spot touching is going to be the bottom of the aluminum, right?
You mean this stuff?
Yeah. That'll be perfect because you won't see it.
Right.
I just need. Oh, and it's sticky.
Yes.
Okay, but I only need one piece. Oh, here, let's take.
No, you need more.
No.
It's $1 for 1,000 feet.
Yeah, but I just need one little piece on the bottom of the painting, just so it can't touch.
Of course.
Here.
Far be it from me to disagree with you.
Okay, cut that. Oh, is that how you do that? Okay. Look, Antoine, we're protecting our investment in your artwork. Well, if we lay this down in here,
Oh, so it doesn't.
so it can't rub against the wood, Matt,
Right.
right? And you won't see it. And we're just trying to protect it a bit. Because God knows bad things happen around here to nice things.
Yes.
Let's see, look at that. Now it can't touch anything. And then, oh, I forgot the black tape.
No, it's right there.
Where? Oh,
We should put on the back of it. So it's okay for the metal to touch the glass, just not, you don't want it to touch the,
well, I don't want it touching anything. But what we'll do, we could actually just take two tiny little pieces of this
yeah.
and just stick one to.
That's not going to hurt the painting?
Well, no, because I'm putting the glue on the window.
Oh, it's just foam.
So it's just, so it's just leaning up against it, Matt, right?
There you go.
Right? I'm just,
Why being so perfect then, okay.
Because this is a beautiful piece of art. I don't own many beautiful things, Matt.
You do.
Well, yeah, most of them.
Beautiful friendship with me.
Yeah.
In your own.
Okay, and then just so it can't move, right? So it's not even touching there in the middle, but if we just, right? Just like that, Matt. That's it.
Perfect. That's all you need.
Yes.
Leave a little tape on the bottom so the bottom doesn't kick out.
Well, it can't.
The
Look,
bottom.
it can't.
Oh.
No, it's right. It's, I mean, that's it. I mean, there's no hurricanes or tornadoes or anything up here. It's just, and I don't think you're gonna notice the little pieces of foam from down there, right? One last look. Blair, quit f***ing with my work. You're a mud guy.
Well, I thought we'd get it done today.
Yeah, you don't even notice that. Well, you do notice it. Okay, I'm gonna take that piece of foam out of the middle. Should I?
It doesn't matter.
No,
Keep
now
it
it's
safe.
protected. Yes. Okay,
Keep it
it's safe. Yes. Cool. Thanks again, Antoine. Really appreciate it. Beautiful piece of art, and now anybody that comes in my shop is going to get to enjoy it. Now I'm going to have to go up and wash that damn window. Be the first time in 6 years, just for you. Remember, if you guys are watching us on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, we're setting up a merch store. So some of the products that we like to use, we advocate for. You can go on the merch store, check it out. If you like it, you like some of the stuff, or you want to know what we use, watch the show and get a chance to buy it. You want to buy some, check out our merch store. Talk to you later. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy. And again, Driving Unicorns, Antoine Roche, amazing artist, beautiful piece, beautiful piece. Thanks again.